Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color names and shapes name. And first, color names.
A B C D E
Pink
F
color.
G
Which color is
H
this?
I J
Pink.
K L M N O P
Red color.
Q
Which
R
color is this?
S
Red.
T U V W
Blue
X
color.
Y
Which color
and
is this?
Z.
Blue.
Now I know my
Orange color.
ABCs.
Which color
Next
is this?
time won't you
Orange.
sing with me?
Green color. Which color is this? Green. Brown color. Which color is this? Brown. Shapes name. Circle, heart, triangle, star, square, pentagon, and draw the shapes. Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Heart. Which shape is this? Heart. Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Star. Which shape is this? Star.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P
Square.
Q R
Which shape is
S
this?
T
Square.
U V W
Pentagon.
X,
Which shape is
Y,
this?
and Z.
Pentagon.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Pink color. Circle. Which shape is this? Circle.
A B C D E F G H
Heart.
I J K L M
Red
N O
color.
P
Which shape is this?
Q R S
Heart.
T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
Orange
time
color.
won't you sing
Triangle.
with me?
Which shape is this? Triangle. Star. Blue color. Which shape is this? Star.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U
Square.
V W X
Green color.
Y and Z.
Which shape is this?
Now I know
Square.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A B C D E
Pentagon.
H I J
Brown color.
K L M N O P
Which shape is this?
Q R S
Pentagon.
T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.